welcome to Healthy Cooking with Heidi. I'm in the kitchen with my helper Jack again today. We're going to be showing you how to make a healthy peppermint nice cream. We call it nice cream because it is nice for our body. It does not have the saturated fat and the added sugar that our traditional regular dairy ice creams do. So we can feel good about serving this to our family and especially to our kids. And it's important to teach our kids how to make healthy foods, especially of recipes and foods that they already like. So the key, the base ingredient for any nice cream is gonna be frozen bananas, really ripe bananas. You want pretty much brown, all those dark speckles on them, because that is our sweetener in here. Fruit has natural sugar in it. That is the sugar that our body knows how to process. So this is the sugar we want to be using in recipes as opposed to processed and added sugars. So one thing that I did is I peeled them and then I sliced them to freeze them. It actually makes it easier on the blender when we do it this way. So we've got our bananas ready to go. I've got 4 bananas that I froze ahead of time. All right, Jack, can you help me put these in here? So I just put some parchment paper down on a cookie sheet. Today I used a cutting board. A lot of times if I am not ready to make my ice cream right away, I'll just put it into big gallon-sized Ziploc bags. So when I am ready to make it, I've got all the ingredients ready to go. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna use just a couple drops. I'm gonna start with 1 or 2 of our peppermint extract. It's a very strong flavor, so we can always add more, but we cannot take away. So I'm gonna do 1 drop and 2 drops. We will see if we want more. All right, and then we're gonna do a little fun variation with some candy canes in here. So this is a great task to have kids do. So Jack, what we did is we took a couple candy canes, we took the wrapper off and put them inside a sandwich bag, Ziploc bag, and then a bigger one so that the Ziploc bag doesn't break on us. This is a good one for the kids, just to bang it and crush them up. So have at it, Jack. So we've got our crushed candy cane here. We're gonna use part of it in our blended ingredients and we'll save part of it to sprinkle on top. I'm gonna get things smooth first and then I'm gonna add it in so we can still maintain some of that candy cane texture. All right, so we've got our bananas, our peppermint extract. I've got a little bit of measured out soy milk, just a couple tablespoons. Again, you can always add to it, but can't take away. So we've got 1 or 2 tablespoons that we'll start with. We can see if we need a little more. And if you have a tamper on your blender, we want to use the tamper for our nice creams. You can also alternatively make this in a food processor as well. All right, let's turn it on. All right, look at this amazing soft serve that we have here, just from bananas. All right, so now can you add maybe about 1/2 or 2/3 of the candy canes in here? Perfect. All right. You know, I'm just gonna add another drop. I don't smell a strong peppermint extract, so I'm just gonna add a little more. All right. All right, so we've got it nice and mixed in here. So you know what, Jack? Let's serve ourselves some and taste it and see what we think. See if we need to make any adjustments to it. Let's sprinkle. Can you put some candy canes on top here for me?
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty. All right, let's taste it. That tastes pepperminty. I like it. Any adjustments you would make?
A little less of the peppermint extract.
Okay. Peppermint extract can be a little strong for a kid's palate, so I guess I could have left it at just the 2 drops for Mr. Jack here. I like that strong peppermint flavor, so might have to do a batch for the kids and a batch for the adults if you like it with a little bit more peppermint flavor. But I like it. I think we made a good outcome, didn't we? All right, awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody.